Are you ready to take the leap into the world of entrepreneurship? Today, we're going to guide you through the entire process of starting your own business. Let's dive in and explore the key steps to ensure your success. Step 1. Finding your profitable niche. This is where it all begins. We'll show you how to identify a niche that suits your passions and has a strong market demand. Next up, business planning. We'll provide you with a detailed breakdown of how to create a solid business plan that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. Then, we'll demystify the legal requirements. Starting a business involves paperwork and legalities, but we'll simplify it, ensuring you're on the right side of the law. Marketing your business effectively is crucial. You'll learn about various strategies and tools to promote your brand and reach your target audience. Lastly, we'll help you navigate common challenges that every entrepreneur faces. It's essential to be prepared, and we'll equip you with the knowledge to overcome obstacles. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your own business confidently. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. Your entrepreneurial journey begins now.